One of the areas of foot and ankle surgery that Rothman has been particularly proficient in is in the development of total ankle replacement and arthroplasty. And at this organization, we have designed no less than 2 or 3 total ankle replacements and their various parts that are used throughout the world on a regular basis. And that really helps to change the way patients with arthritis are able to get around their communities in a symptom-free way.
Rothman Orthopaedics is a research powerhouse, and it's second to none in the amount of research we do annually on all body parts related to orthopedics. We have an entire research department dedicated to allowing us as physicians to translate our results with patients into literature that can impact the entire field of orthopedics.
Foot and ankle is highly complex, so to get the expertise of an individual who spends their entire career just on that part of the body is important. That deep expertise means that you have a person who really understands the intricacies of the anatomy, the biology, and the symptoms that you may have, so you can be diagnosed more effectively and treated more effectively.
In the non-op side, we are now making shoes specific to each sport. So we think that's really important to educate the patient on that. We make inserts. So over the years, the inserts used to be very hard. Now they're semi-rigid or very soft and can still control the abnormal motion in the feet.
One of the main changes that's happened recently is the transition to a lot of minimally invasive surgery. We can do bunion surgery minimally invasive. We can do arthroscopy, where we just make small incisions and look inside the joints. There's also been a lot of movement in the world of arthritis, where patients used to only be able to have a fusion for their ankle arthritis, and now patients can have an ankle replacement, just like we've been replacing knees and hips for many years.
So the foot and ankle team at Rothman Orthopaedics represents a really upper echelon group of physicians that I feel are at the forefront of both research and technology in terms of what we can offer patients. I think we're making a lot of leaps and bounds with new techniques and procedures. We do an awful lot of academics outside of clinic hours. We're participating in research all the time, and I think there's a lot of new and latest and greatest going on here.